Carbohydrates are an essential part of our diet, providing energy to the body. However, for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar levels, consuming carbs without triggering blood sugar spikes can be a challenge. Bread, potatoes, and rice are staples in many diets, but are often associated with rapid increase in blood sugar levels due to their high carbohydrate content. Fortunately, with the right strategies, it is possible to enjoy these foods while keeping blood sugar levels in check. Here's how you can eat bread, potatoes, and rice without causing unwanted spikes in blood sugar. Number 1. Choose whole grains and complex carbs. Refined carbs like white bread and white rice are processed and stripped of most of their fiber. This makes them quicker to digest and absorb, causing a faster rise in blood sugar levels. On the other hand, whole grains and complex carbohydrates are richer in fiber, which slows down digestion and help prevent sharp spikes in blood sugar. Whole grain bread. Choose whole wheat or multigrain bread instead of white bread. These options contain more fiber and nutrients, which help stabilize blood sugar levels. Brown rice. Swap out white rice for brown rice or other whole grains like quinoa or barley. Brown rice has a lower glycemic index and is less likely to cause blood sugar spikes. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes have more fiber and a lower glycemic index, making them a better choice for blood sugar management. Number 2, watch portion sizes. Even whole grains and complex carbs can cause blood sugar spikes if consumed in large quantities. Portion control is key to managing blood sugar levels. A large portion of any carb rich food can overwhelm the body's ability to process glucose, leading to spikes. Use a smaller plate. Serve a smaller portion of carbs to help control the amount of glucose entering the bloodstream. Balance the plate. Aim for a balanced meal with a proper ratio of carbs, protein, and healthy fats. A smaller portion of carbs alongside proteins like chicken, fish, or tofu, and healthy fats like avocado or olive oil will help slow the absorption of sugar and prevent spikes. Number 3. Incorporate fiber rich foods. Fiber plays a crucial role in blood sugar management. It slows down the digestion of carbohydrates, which help to prevent sudden rises in blood sugar. Add vegetables. Pair your carbs with non starchy vegetables like leafy greens, broccoli, or bell peppers. These add fiber, vitamins, and minerals to your meal and they help regulate blood sugar levels. Use legumes. Adding beans or lentils to meals containing bread, potatoes, or rice increases fiber content, which help balance blood sugar levels. Number 4. Understand the glycemic index. The glycemic index measures how quickly carbohydrates in food raise blood sugar levels. Foods with a high glycemic index are rapidly digested and cause blood sugar spikes, while low glycemic index foods are absorbed more slowly. Low glycemic index bread. Choose bread made from whole grains or sourdough. These tend to have a lower glycemic index compared to white bread or even whole wheat bread. Low glycemic index rice. Options for basmati rice or brown rice instead of white rice. These varieties have a lower glycemic index and are absorbed more slowly. Potatoes. While potatoes are considered high glycemic index, certain varieties and cooking methods can help reduce their glycemic impact. For example, waxy potatoes like red potatoes have a lower glycemic index than starchy potatoes. Also, cooking potatoes and letting them cool before eating can lower their glycemic index due to their formation of resistant starch. Number 5. Pair with protein and healthy fats. Including protein and healthy fats in your meal can help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of carbohydrates. Protein. Lean meats, fish, eggs, tofu, or legumes help slow down the rate at which carbs are digested. When eating bread, rice, or potatoes, consider adding a protein source such as grilled chicken, turkey, or beans. Healthy fats. Avocado, olive oil, and nuts are excellent source of healthy fats. These fats don't cause spikes in blood sugar and can help slow down the absorption of carbs, resulting in more stable blood sugar levels. Number 6. Use cooking techniques that lower the glycemic index. The way you prepare and cook your food can influence its effect on blood sugar. Here are some tips. Cooling starch. Cooking starchy foods like potatoes and rice and then letting them cool before eating can form resistant starch. This type of starch acts like fiber and has a minimal impact on blood sugar. Soaking rice. Soaking rice before cooking can reduce its glycemic index. Additionally, cooking rice with a bit of coconut oil and then cooling it also reduces its glycemic index. Sauteing or roasting. Roasting or sauteing vegetables with healthy fats such as olive oils can help reduce the glycemic index of the meal and slow the digestion of carbs. Number 7, be mindful of adding sugars. Sometimes bread, potatoes, and rice are served with added sugars or sweeteners. These additions can lead to blood sugar spikes, so it's essential to watch out for hidden sugar in dishes. Read labels. For bread, check the ingredients list for added sugars or sweeteners. Cook from starch. When preparing meals for rice or potatoes, try to cook them without adding sugar or heavy sauce that could spike your blood sugar. Eating bread, potatoes, and rice without causing blood sugar spikes is possible with throughout planning and right choices. By opting for whole grains, controlling portions, and preparing carbs with proteins and healthy fats, and being mindful of the glycemic index, you can enjoy these foods while managing your blood sugar effectively. Experiment with these strategies and monitor your body's response to find what works best for you. With a little effort and awareness, you can continue to enjoy your favorite carb rich foods without the worry of blood sugar fluctuations.